Hey, I'm going to go ahead and take out the brand new CBR Fireblade 2023. It's going to be its first inaugural ride. I'm going to go meet it with my friends and get this bad boy hopefully broken in. Probably do about 60 or 70 miles on the bike. But I've got parts ordered for this thing here. You guys know I pretty much the parts are new coming in. Obviously, this bike is one of the first in the United States for the 2023 series for the Fireblade. But I've ordered several parts from some of my top suppliers, and they are going to be hopefully getting it to me by next week. And we should have a fun time modding this bike out. So these mirrors will be going away. We're also going to be adding some stomp grips to the tank and fuel area. I have a brand new cowl that's being made right now for this particular bike to be blue, which should be very, very nice. Tail tidy is going to be coming in from New Rage, so we're going to get this basically removed. I'm not going to be touching the pipe on this one here because it is an Akropovich, and it's full titanium. And this bike, guys, I've took it out only for a mile or two, but this bike screams already. I don't even know if I'm going to flash it. Now everyone talks about restrictions, etc. on the upper end, but I'm not going 300 miles an hour down the freaking freeway. So, but I literally was talking to Chris about it, and he's like, you know what, the Fireblade, that one actually comes pretty well flashed for what it is, but he saw obviously I can bring it in and we can remove the upper restrictions on it. So I'm thinking about doing that. Bottom line is I will obviously continue to break it in first, and then I'll go ahead and take it up there and we'll dyno tune it. But other than that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get it off the stands and get it removed and get out there. Cool about this thing is that it comes with this particular key fob. I don't know if you guys can see this here. All I have to do to start it is I press it here. There's an ignition button. I press here. Lights up the dash here. After that is set up, then I can go ahead and actually just start the bike. You can see I've got a total of 10 miles on the bike right now. And I'll let this thing warm up and we'll get ready to roll. Here it goes. I'm not noticing any decel on the wrist at any point. Feels really good. Yeah, the throttle definitely opens it up. That exhaust sound, beautiful, beautiful notes. Sliding around without my tank grips, guys. I don't like riding without them. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Gosh, this bike is 100% stock. Feels like a flashed R1. No joke. Will tell you though, this windshield puts the wind right in your chest, man. A little bit different than the ZX10RR. A little bit different than the R1M. got some giddy up, my friends. Definitely has some giddy up. This acceleration, impressed with this quickshifter, engine braking, everything. Very, very nice. I take it back. The CBR1000RR-R Fireblade is legit, my friends. Legit. What a flash would feel like on this bike. I thought Joe was going to go. He didn't. Yeah, that's a little better. Tuck position feels really good. The wind goes right over you. Sitting up, though, not so good. I do like the forward riding position of this bike, though. It feels really just amazing, actually. Kind of got to be careful. These tires aren't exactly like heated up, broken in yet. See what the grip is like on them. you right now, guys. That 8,000 mark. Woo-wee. Hold on to your hats. Join this one. I think the throttle on this thing is just sick. Last time I came around this thing, a tractor was just pulling out and it was about decapitated us. This guy right here is crossing the freaking street to his field. I love this forward position on this bike. This is it. Maybe there is something to this peg position. I kind of like it. I feel like I'm over the tank and more balanced than I was on my R1M or even on the ZX10RR at high speeds. So there's definitely something to this geometry that Honda discovered, either in the wind tunnel or on the track or both, that put the rider in a position to be able to add maximum load on that front tire for grip. Which is crazy that Marc Marquez seems to slip out a lot of times when he's putting load on his Repsol bike, but and again, his engine is 260 horsepower, so a little bit of a different challenge here. Out of the box 180 horses. Joe was like, I found this new road. I want to go try it, and this is the road that we're on. I don't know it very well, but look at the cotton. Cool, man. It's pretty out here. Yeah, I know. Dude, I get it now. I get it. guys. I just love riding bikes. I love it. Love it. Joseph, his BMW S1000RR, he's got a Brock's tune on it, and his Brock performance pipe is just one of the best sounding pipes I've heard in a long time. But he loves his tune on this bike. I am praying that my GoPro lens doesn't look like my shield right now.